Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting an honest baseline. Log 30 days of trades with emotion tags so you know your patterns. Once done, choose 3 non-negotiable rules: max risk percent, allowed setups, and time per trade, and write them where you'll see them. Then build a short daily checklist for pre-market prep, risk confirmation, and an explicit exit plan. This reduces on-the-spot emotion and gives you a repeatable trigger to start trading with intention. Now you practice the process under controlled pressure. Run 1-week simulation, block scaling position size from 50% to 100% so your psychology adapts gradually. Use simple cognitive cues. Pause, take 3 breaths, then consult your decision journal so emotions don't hijack execution. Make weekly reviews where you grade process adherence rather than obsessing over profit and loss, and identify one behavior to correct next. To finish, consolidate by establishing a monthly routine, full performance review, goal reset, and an updated mental checklist so your system evolves with you. Make a clear contingency plan, step away after 3 consecutive losses or 2 rule breaches, and stick to it. This prevents tilt escalation. If things go wrong, reset with a 24 to 72 hour break focused on rest and analysis, not trading. Then return only after confirming you can follow the checklist and rules again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.